Now, just when you think that you can't make the G-Wagon look any better, well, you can. This absolute monster of a truck is the G400 diesel AMG line premium in Selenite Grey, but just look at the thing. It's absolutely bonkers. It's beautiful from every angle. It's got a full BRABUS style wide star body kit on this with upgraded wheels, 8,500 miles on a 71 registration, but it looks bonkers. It's such a special car. Thousands and thousands have been spent on this car. It's about to go live now. I've done my research and my homework. If you look at what else is available that looks similar, not close, just similar to this, you'll see there's some on there which are maybe £10,000 more with 25,000 miles more. So value for money, it's the best you can get. And if you're in the market and you want a G-Wagon and you think, you know what, I'm going to do a few bits to it and spend £25,000–30,000, well, all that's been done for you already. So this is a ready-made product. You can buy it, pick it up, and start enjoying it from day one. And it really is nothing short of a spectacular. Once again, 8,500 miles, under manufacturer's warranty, full service history, in a beautiful condition. I'm just going to show you some of the features and some of the extras that have been done on this car. The first thing you'll notice is that front grille finished in black with the Panamericana grille on there, which is that vertical slats here. You've got the 360 camera system, the full LED lighting system with LED daytime running lights, and you've got the multi-beam LED headlights, because a lot of the specifications on the newer cars, some are missing. This one isn't. You've got the fog indicators at the top there, front rear parking sensors. This front bumper is different, it's upgraded, so the venting on the front, the corner vents, the center vents, the sort of more refined, sportier look with the extension here, that's all different. So you compare this to a normal G400, that's a different bumper. The wide star body kit starts here but continues on the arches front and rear. So your normal arch kit would be, I'd say, half of this extension, so they stick out quite a lot, but that's the vibe. Now, you have got the option of getting the bonnet scoop on as well, which is in the boot, and I'll show you as I go around the back of the car. But I think it looks great as it is. But if you want the bonnet scoop, no problem, get in touch and I'll talk you through how we go around that. So once again, the full arch kit, front and rear. The 22-inch upgraded Riviera wheels, finished in black, which look fabulous. You can't see from the camera system, I'm sure, but because you have the extended rear arch, front and rear arches, you've also got spacers in the wheels or just behind the wheels, so the wheels sit absolutely bang in line with that really large arch there. Black mirror cap covers, sun protection glass, and then you've got that beautiful AMG interior. So the AMG line comes with a full leather, electric seats, heated seats, memory seats. You've got the full ambient lighting pack, the full carry-on dashboard, which is all digital. That's the navigation side, and the dash for the instrument cluster. You've got Burmeister sound system, tilt and sliding sunroof, illuminated kick plate, but this has been upgraded to the 3D BRABUS, so the detailing again is brilliant, and you've also got the BRABUS mats there. You've then got the lovely metallic finish and the wood interior inlays on the door cards, more BRABUS mats in the back, and if you look at the centre section, that also has a BRABUS piece in there as well. Third zone climate control, and you've got rear heated seats. The bodywork is in a fabulous condition. If I haven't shown you already, which I think I should, you can see how wide the arches are, because you have this corner venting going on with the BRABUS labelling, and that's not just on the front vents, that also continues on the rear as well. So when you look at it from an angle, any angle, you get hit with all them vents and you think, wow, because it really is a special car. LED rear lighting system. The rear bumper is different to your standard G400, and you can see from the side sections here, because it's a bit wider, so it sits in line with that wide star body kit. You've also got a little bit of BRABUS badge in there, and if you haven't noticed, you've got a rooftop spoiler, which is big enough to be noticed, but it looks sporty. In the back, as I open, the first thing you'll see is this. So like I said, if you do want this, no problem. We can get this fitted. It's a BRABUS bonnet scoop. We could fit it to the vehicle if you wanted to, no problem. It's not everyone's taste because it is quite big and it might sort of disrupt the way you're looking over the bonnet, but if you want it, very easy for us. BRABUS boot carpet there, seats go down 60/40, and you have the rear parcel shelf. More carpet on the rear there. The car's mega, it really is something really special. It's not for everybody, I appreciate that, I'm realistic. And the best thing about buying and selling cars in Acton Car Centre is we try and cater in every single way for every single customer. Who want big, who want different, who want maybe you want to stand out, I don't know, but with this one you have running cost, you have more than enough power, you certainly have specification, but you've also got style that costs thousands and thousands of pounds, if that's the sort of thing you're into and you want to be a bit different, because this car will stand out for the right reasons, and it looks fabulous. More BRABUS little badging on the centre piece here. Slide away. You've also got a tracker system with this car, which you do get, which will help with your insurance. 2 keys. Going on to the multifunctional steering wheel, you have adaptive cruise control, you've got stereo controls, Bluetooth controls, paddle shift, centre armrest down here splits into more cubbyhole space, and then you have the dual zone climate control. Riviera's a camera system, in high definition, 3D camera system there, very easy to use, and no excuse to scuff any parts of your car because it is very expensive to replace all that. So just to recap, this is a White Star body kit, BRABUS style, G400 diesel, AMG line premium, that's in a fabulous condition, priced to sell, and isn't going to hang around, and it isn't one I can replicate. We do sell a lot of G-Wagons here, but I haven't seen one as good as this. Thanks for watching, bye bye now.